Hello, OPQ. I wanted to speak to you informally as soon as the New Drugs Regulatory Program Modernization Reorg was approved. I made this recording to walk you through the changes OPQ is making to our organization. These changes are not nearly at the level of OND's changes, but they will impact many of us in different ways. It's important to know that the New Drugs Regulatory Program Modernization is about more than just the reorg of OND. It is a modernization of the entire New Drugs Regulatory Program. And by that I mean it enables FDA scientists to focus on science, not ancillary tasks, improves consistency across the program, increases professional development opportunity, as well as encourages greater internal collaboration. You will see that this is very much in line with OPQ's strategic plan and our priorities to collaborate, innovate, communicate, and engage. This is a look at the past structure of OND's clinical offices. This is OND's new organization. What you will see is that there are significantly more clinical offices and divisions. OPQ's goal in making changes to our structure is to align to OND, but also to better align within OPQ. We want to have more pragmatic managerial oversight and work processes. We will have additional divisions and branches to reduce the staff to supervisor ratios. This means that new leadership and career opportunities or career development opportunities are now available. The names of OPQ work units have been updated to better reflect the actual work they do. So now let me walk you through some of the changes OPQ is making. Begin with OPQ's overall structure. The first change to note is that PMAS will be dissolved to become the Office of Administrative Operations. There will be no other changes to the immediate office at this point in time. We are going to rename 2 sub-offices. The Office of Surveillance will become the Office of Quality Surveillance. And the Office of Process and Facilities will become the Office of Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Assessment. Let's take a closer look at the newly formed Office of Administrative Operations. This office will have 6 staff responsible for all administrative operations. Now let's look at our existing offices, starting with OBP. OBP is an easy one as they will have no structural changes. So how much easier can it be than that? Applications will continue to be assigned across divisions based on an algorithm and management concurrence. Let's take a look at ONDP. Changes in ONDP. First, note that we are retitling all branches from Roman numerals to Arabic numerals. This is true across all of the branches in OPQ, though I will not point this out for every sub-office for the sake of time. We will establish a new branch in the division of New Drug API, and we will also establish an additional division of drug products with 2 new branches. Now let's look at OPPQ. OPPQ is dissolving their compendial operation and standards branch to establish a compendial operations and standards staff in their immediate office, along with an editorial and project management staff. Now let's take a look at the newly named OQS. OQS is renaming their existing divisions to the Division of Quality Data Science and the Division of Quality Intelligence 1. OQS is dissolving all of their branches and creating a new Division of Quality Intelligence 2. Now let's take a look at the other newly named office, namely OPMA. As you can see, there are a number of changes in OPMA. One, they are retitling their existing divisions of process assessment to divisions of pharmaceutical manufacturing, and they are adding a fourth such division with 3 branches. Secondly, they are dissolving the division of inspectional assessment. They are also adding a second office of microbiology assessment with 3 branches. And finally, they are establishing a division of biotechnology manufacturing with 2 branches. Now let's look at OTR. OTR will be adding a new branch to the existing division of product quality research and establishing a new division of complex drug analysis with 2 branches. Now let's look at Opma. Adding a new division of regulatory and business process management 3 with 2 branches, and adding a branch to the existing division of regulatory and business process management 2. Let's look at OLDP. OLDP is adding a division of liquid-based products with 3 branches. They are also adding an additional branch to the existing division of post-marketing activities 1. They are also renaming 4 existing divisions to be the divisions of immediate and modified release products 1 through 4. This new organization I've just presented is what we're affectionately referring to as OPQ 2.0. I'm sure you'll have a number of questions, but allow me to address some of the most pressing ones right now. First, please note that none of these changes will happen right away. We're working to implement a phased approach over several months. Second, know that this reorg is FTE neutral for OPQ. We will not gain or lose staff. Administrative support assistant FTEs from each sub-office will go to the new OAO office. Management support specialists will stay with their current sub-offices. This will provide better accountability and administrative oversight for the ASAs and more training opportunities. Even though the reporting structure will change, ASAs will remain in the same physical location. Regardless of your position, all of OPQ will be crosswalked to our new organization. We will dedicate our October all-hands meeting to OPQ 2.0, so please bring any questions you have to this meeting. Now I'd like to hand this presentation over to our sub-office directors to explain a bit more about what these changes mean for you.
Hello everyone, this is Lawrence, Acting Office Director of Office Process and Facility. With this video, I'm going to share with you the changes of our office and OPQ 2.0. Our office conducts application assessment in coordination with a pre-approval inspection to ensure that manufacturing is adequate to deliver quality products for the consumers and patients. The current structure of our office consists of 3 divisions of process assessment, 1 division of inspection assessment, and 1 division of microbiology assessment. Under OPQ 2.0, our office is renamed as the Office of Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Assessment to better reflect what we do to be inclusive of process, facility, and microbiology assessment. OPMA will add 2 more divisions, one on microbiology, the other on biotechnology. As a result, the new OPMA office will consist of 4 manufacturing assessment divisions, 2 microbiology assessment divisions, and 1 biotechnology division. The office mission and vision remains the same. OPM way assures that quality pharmaceuticals are consistently manufactured over the product lifecycle. OPMA wants to become premier global regulatory organization for holistic assessment of pharmaceutical manufacturing. So why did we make those changes? Those changes are better align the organization with our vision of integrated manufacturing assessment. A single assessor assesses a process, facility, and microbiology to provide a holistic manufacturing assessment of regulatory submission. These changes will improve the consistency and collaboration across PDUFA, VSUFA, and GDUFA programs. These changes provide leadership and professional development opportunities, and further, these changes help achieve our goal of building one OPF culture. In addition, these changes will enhance alignment internally and externally. Internally, our office is better aligned with OBP, ONDP, and OLDP. Externally, our office provides a single contact with ORA and OMQ on any manufacturing and inspection-related issues. As such, our office provides better support to generic, new, and biotechnology programs. Another significant change I want to share with you is the formation of the Office Administrative Operations to improve administrative functions. Administrative Support Assistant ASA position in our office will realign to our new Office of Administrative Operations. ASA staff will continue to support our office time cards, travel, properties, and purchase. What does this mean for our ASAs? ASA will report to the Office of Administrative Operations, be supervised by a supervisory administrative officer who is an expert in administrative work. Therefore, it enables more dynamic career paths across and within different function areas, allows ASA deepening the functional specialization and become expert, receive more consistent training and support for ASA functions, and provide backup support during leaves and training opportunities. I should point out that despite the changes of reporting relationships, our ASA are still physically sitting with us. They are supporting our office administrative needs as they do now. They will have additional administrative support during vacation, training, and extended out of offices. So what's next? In addition to OPQ all-hands meeting, our office will hold an all-hands meeting to discuss the reorganization. More details will be provided on the changes to our office, including functional statements. Please bring all the questions related to our office changes to the meeting. I know changes are not easy, but I know I have your support. We can make differences. Together, we can better fulfill our mission of protect and promote the public health. Thank you.